YouTube, look what I got. So my buddy gave me a go-kart. Yeah, it's rough, really rough. The foot pegs are messed up, the steering column's bent. I did some weird welding crap to it. Extended the frame really poorly. I don't. Anyways, we got a flux capacitor. That's the highlight of this build, the flux capacitor. Weird motor mount plate, but not a motor mount plate. Yeah, right here you can see the frame is like whoop. These ones seem pretty straight, a little less in, but yeah. So this is the next project. I was just talking about not being able to do it because I didn't have anything, and here we go. So thanks to my buddy Kevin. There's a lot of things to be done with this, but I think I'm just going to start with the front end because it will not turn. I think it's because it's all bent. So I'm going to get it cleaned up and start taking it apart. So this is our new project. If you guys know what kind of cart it is, let me know. Leave a comment of what kind of cart this is, other than a backyard flux capacitor edition. Alright, later. Alright, so an update. The rear end is rusted in place. Like it is not moving at all. Also, these lock collars are stripped out, won't come out. Same thing on the other side. Over there. Yeah. This project is, So, yeah, that's that. Really not sure what I'm gonna do with this thing. Because I've got, see right there, it's pretty rusted out. Pretty rusted out. And it's a pretty shit frame. So I don't know if I'm even gonna bother with this thing. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe bringing it back to you, Kevin. I'm going a completely different route with something that's not like screwed. Because the problem is these are probably so rusted. Definitely gonna have to tap those out and then try and pull them back. Then once I actually get those back, then I gotta try and peel this back off. If that's that rusted, I don't know if I can get this nut off. That is a big, because I gotta pull that off to pull this off to pull that off. Put new ones of these on there. Or do I just cut it, put a completely new rear end on it? But do I really want to put a brand new rear end on Janky McJanky? So, yeah. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna think about it. Have an update later on. Later. Alright, so here's the official deal with the go-kart. Obviously the front end is fixed. Whatever. Say hey to YouTube, Hailee.
Hi.
The rear end is what it is. It's jacked up. Rims are rusted through, all messed up. Tires are dry, rotted. Hub is broken. Trying to get the keyway out. It snapped and broke. I had to buy a socket to ratchet the nut off of this thing. And trying to, yeah. The go-kart is dead. The go-kart is dead.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So the go-kart is dead. This is failed end project, basically to get, I have to get a new hub. This one will probably end up breaking when I take it off. Gotta get new lock collars and bearings anyways. I had new hubs, new tires, because the tires and wheels were shot. A whole new rear end. Get this thing right. Rear tires, doesn't even include front tires, would be like $217, just like around $200, $220 something. So the go-kart is dead. This is a failed project. Plus, even if I did spend the money on it, it'd be all jacked up with the welding that's on it. I already showed you guys that, but yes. So we're probably gonna go big block motor on my mini bike and live axle kit, because that'll be worth the money. So, bye. What are you doing, Hailee?
I'm trying to catch a snake.
You're trying to catch a snake.
Yes.
You're digging in the dirt.